Alright, how you doing? So here we are, Callanish 2 stone circle on the Isle of Lewis. This one's a beauty. So this one is very close to Callanish 1. I can actually see Callanish 1 in the distance. It's quite a sight, quite striking to see the stones of Callanish 1 in the distance there. This one's a lot smaller, it's a lot more intimate. There's no cairn or central monolith or stone rows. That's unique to Callanish 1. And Callanish 2 and 1, they're part of a wider megalithic complex. So it's thought to be at least 11 known Callanish stone circles here on the Isle of Lewis. And Callanish 2 here is broadly dated from the Neolithic era of up to 4,000 years old. And there are 5 stones remaining. It's interesting seeing the shapes of the stones there, and it's thought there was at least 8 or 9 stones that formed this circle at one point. So let's go and have a wee wander, and we'll have a look around the stone circle.